If this is your first time of attending lives, I am so pleased for you.
It's a wonderful scientific event, probably the best of the year, and it's also really a place to network, to meet your friends, meet new people. This is the key of such an event.
For young ICU professionals, Lives is the perfect occasion to increase their knowledge in intensive care, learning from the well-known experts while having fun in different activities such the next escape game. Also, it's a great occasion to create network from the beginning of their careers.
It is going to be such an amazing experience. That ability to network, the friendliness, the opportunity to examine and attend the multiple tracks which cover the breadth and depth of intensive care, our speciality, will, I am sure, be a wonderful experience, and you will become a regular attender and, I hope, an active contributor to the organisation and the society. That is what we need. That is what we want of you. This has to be a relationship, not a one-way system.